Hi everyone, welcome back to Sewwi's Not. Today we are going to talk about the important problem in economics. It's called scarcity. Simply, scarcity means we don't have enough resources to give everything we want. This is a problem for everyone everywhere in the world. Why does scarcity happens? There are two main reasons. First, unlimited human wants. You always want to more things and our desire near and second, limited resources. The things we need like money, land and time are very limited. We only have a small amount of them. What are the characteristics? There are three main you should remember about scarcity. First one, it is universal, mean it happens to both rich or poor people. It's the same to number two, it is the foundation of economics, and three, it is relative because resources are also not enough compared to our big want. Let's look at an example. Imagine you have only $100. You want to buy an ice cream and a pen, but you only have enough money for one thing. You must choose. This situation is actually what we call scarcity. Because of scarcity, we must make a choice in our next video. We will talk about opportunity cost, which is the thing we give up when we make a choice. If you enjoy this lesson, please give it a big comment. It really helps my channel. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any question. Don't forget to subscribe to Service Notes and join our learning family. I'll see you in next video to talk about opportunity cost. Until then, stay happy and keep it well. Bye bye.